Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. So guys, at first go to your Facebook. Now tap on the three dot icon in the right side of corner. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Now tap on personal details. Tap on account ownership and control. Now tap on deactivation or deletion. Now select delete account. Tap on continue. Now choose an option and tap on continue. Again tap on continue. Swipe down and tap on continue, and then your account will be deleted. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.